Welcome back to the channel. Today, I am going to show you how to create stunning 3D text in Photoshop using a very fast and effective method that is perfect for your thumbnails and posters. If you have ever wanted your typography to pop off the screen without needing complex 3D software, this tutorial is for you. We will be using layer styles to achieve a professional look in just a few minutes, so if this video helps you master your design skills, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more content just like this. Alright, let us dive right in. First, open up Adobe Photoshop and create a new project. Select the Type tool by pressing T on your keyboard or picking the icon from your toolbar. Click onto your canvas and type out the word or phrase you want to focus on. Pro tip for that 3D appearance, choose a nice bold font, as thicker letter forms make the bevel and emboss effects look much more realistic and substantial. Once you have typed your text, look over at your Layers panel on the right. Make sure your text layer is selected. Now go to the very bottom of the panel and click on that iconic FX button. From the menu that pops up, select Bevel and Emboss. This is where the magic happens. A new window will appear with several settings. Under the Structure section, set your style to Inner Bevel. This is the foundation of your 3D look. Now push that depth slider up to somewhere between 200 and 300% to make those edges punchy and deep. For the size, aim for a value between 10 and 30 pixels depending on how thick your font is. Don't forget that angle wheel in the shading section. Rotate this to adjust your light source so the highlights and shadows align with the rest of your composition. Now that we have the 3D structure, we want to add some depth and weight to the text. Keep that layer style window open and look on the left side. Go ahead and enable drop shadow. This will lift your text off the background. Next, enable inner shadow to give it a little more recessed detail. And finally, add a gradient overlay to provide those metallic or surface color transitions that make the text look like a physical object. Play around with these settings until the lighting looks just right to you. These subtle additions are exactly what turn plain text into a high-quality, vibrant graphic. Remember, the best designs come from experimentation, so feel free to tweak these values until they suit your specific project. I hope this walkthrough helps you save time while leveling up your design game. If you found this useful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you never miss a future design tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.